Crown Jewel, number 42. Crown Jewel. Moving on to the last item on the page here, page 6, Dragon Tail. Again, an economy 500 gram. A new item for us, Dragon Tail, number 43. Okay, we're going to turn the page here and go to page 7, the top of page 7. I guess item number 44, Dr. Loud. 9 shots, Dr. Loud. Item 45, military grade. That was number 45, military grade, and let's move on to the next sprinkler cake we have on the list tonight. Number 46 is 172 shots. Hippie Chick. One of our all-time favorites, Hippie Chick. That was Hippie Chick. Moving on to the next item. Number 47 tonight is Hitman. Number 47, 24 shots, Hitman. Item number 48, King Neon. King Neon. 9 shots. Next item up tonight on the 500 gram list is Light of Illusion. 42 shots, Light of Illusion. Item number 49. This is the item you want to buy next. It's called Eruption. Very large cake, almost 4 feet long, 500 shots. Eruption, number 50. And the ears were only $1.99 per shot. No, I'm kidding. All right, moving on to number 51, Minor 49er. Minor 49er, number 51. Minor 49, that's a really hard hit to take. Let's go to the top of page 8. Number 52 is next on the list. Rubik's Box. 30 shots. Rubik's Box. Box. On to the next item tonight on our list, number 53, Raspberry Splash. 23 shot Raspberry Splash. That was Raspberry Splash. On to the next item. Number 54 is a 12-shot 500-gram cake. Release the Beast. Release the Beast. Number 54. Release the Beast. On to the next item. This is called Ring of Fury. This is referred to as a ring cake. Depending on how it breaks in the sky, you should be able to see a full ring up in the sky. Number 55, Ring of Fury, 9 shot. Look for the ring. All right. Number 56 is the next on the list tonight. It's a Sprinkler Cake, 132 shot Pharaoh's Treasure. item, number 58 tonight, is Star Child. 20-shot Star Child. Star Child. The last item on this page is free ring service, and I want to explain a little bit about this one. This is a brand new cake for us. It's actually a total of 1,500 grams. There come 3 in a package, one for the left, one for the middle, and one for the right. They come with a fuse connector in them. So you can pull them out, you can pull the fuse out of each cake, you connect the fuses together, and you can light this either by itself, each item by itself, or you can light it as a finale. Tonight, we're going to light it as a finale. You buy the whole case. Again, you get 3 in a case and 72 shots, and we're going to light it as a finale. So, 3 ring service is a brand new item for us, 1,500 grams. Let's see what it looks like. Large. It may take a minute to get it out from the vehicle there, so here we go. Page 9, item number 60 is up next. Tokyo Time Bomb. Item number 60, Tokyo Time Bomb. It's amazing how that makes automotive sounds too. I don't know how that happened, but it's a neat, very neat firework. Moving on to the next item, this is our Venom series, and these are actually packaged 5 in a case. You can light them again, one at a time, or they can be fused together, the Venom series. We've got them fused together, and we're going to light them all together. 5 cakes, all come pre-packaged in one, the Venom series. Vikings Vengeance. Number 62, Vikings Vengeance. another sprinkler cake, 183 shots. Willie's Choice. Number 63, Willie's Choice. That was number 63, Willie's Choice. Second to the last item tonight, number 64 is a 20-shot 500 gram called Worm Burner. Worm Burner. Any of you golfers out there? Probably relate. Worm Burner. Moving on to the last item tonight in our 500 gram section, item number 65, Zombie Apocalypse. It's a 16-shot cake. Number 65, Zombie Apocalypse. Page here. Top of page 10, these are our canister shells, reloadable canister shells. What we're going to do tonight is we're going to shoot 4 individual shells, and then we're just going to shoot the rest of the box all at once. So we're going to shoot 4 shells, and then just the rest of the box. So 24 pack will be 20 at a time. Item number 66 is our 5X canister shell. And when they're ready out there, go ahead and shoot the score. And then we'll shoot the rest of the box. We'll give them a minute just to get ready on the next of the canisters. The next one are Neon Viper canister shells. These are also a 60-gram canister shell, shooting 4, and then the rest of the box. Neon Viper canister shell. All right, it doesn't sound like we're going to shoot the rest of that box. There was only a couple left over. So we're going to move on to the professional display shell. Item number 68, again, we're shooting 4 and the rest of the box. The Neon Vipers come packed 12-6, so that's why they didn't have the rest of the box. Professional. And here's the rest of the box. Super 7 canister. So this is a 7-inch canister shell. We were actually one of the first people in the country to import the shell last year. It is a 7-inch canister shell. Again, we're shooting 4 of those, and then the rest of the box. Super 7. Here's the rest of the box. Facility here very clean, and again, they're very gracious to let us use it. So please do your part. Give us a moment here, and we will get our finale uncovered, and we'll have a great show for you. We want to just thank you so much for coming, and thank you for supporting Wild Willie's every year. Again, we opened in Nebraska on the 25th, and we opened over in Iowa on June 1st on the indoor stores, and June 16th on the tents in Iowa. So we hope to see you there. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by our tent afterwards, and we'll get this finale ready to go for you. Just one moment. Who's going to be the flashlight guy, Matt, when you flash? Okay, I see you over there. You're going to flash the other team, right? Yeah. And they don't need the light? light it up.